In this lecture, we will learn Java data types. Data is a value or simple set of values. Like 10 is a data, 20, 25, these all are the data. 2.5, 8.5, your name, these all are the data. Data can have different types. Data information. When data is meaningful, then it is called information. We have many data types like int, float, char. We will learn in this video. Data is a value or set of values. Data is a collection of facts and figures which can be processed to produce information like 5 and 3. 5 and 3 are data. Plus, after processing, we will get 8. And 8 is an information. Then, when the data is meaningful, then it is called information. Or processed data is called information. Data may be a number like 8, 2, 5. It may be a string that is your name, Ashish. Data may be an audio form or it may be an image. Data can be stored or processed. Like your name is stored in some variable or it can be processed to produce some information. Processed data is called information. Data is important to analyze systems, make decisions, design algorithms, train machine learning and deep learning models. We have many different types of data. When data with some operations are called data types. A data type defines a set of values that a variable can store along with a set of operations that can be performed on those data. Numeric data types can be integer or floating point. Integers like 12 minus 34, we can perform some arithmetic operations of integer values like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or we can perform remainder operations. Floating point data can also perform addition and subtraction operations. Character data are like small a, small z, or any character which is in single quotes are called character data. Any group of data characters are called a string, which may be of character data types. Boolean data types like true and false. These are two literals. We can perform logical operations using true and false, like yes no operations. Java has four primitive data types, like integer types represent signed integer values. Byte, short, int, long, these all are the integer data types. Floating point types, float or double, represent floating point signed numbers. Unsigned character values, char, like small a, small b, small zero, star, these all are the character data types. Boolean data types are only represent two values, true and false. Two values, true and false. Byte data types is of 1 byte, short is of 2 bytes, integer is of 4 bytes, and long is of 8 bytes. Now, data types, we are learning data types integer. Data type byte. Byte is of 1 byte, that is 8 bits. Its range is minus 128 to plus 127. Or we can say is minus to the power 7 to the power 7 minus 1. Short is of 2 bytes, 16 bits. Its range is minus 32768 to plus 32767. Integer is of 4 bytes. Its range is minus 2147483648 to 2147483647. And long is of 8 bytes. Its range is this. Default values for byte is 0. For short it is 0. For integer it is 0. For long is 0L. We have two floating point data, floating point or real. We can also call floating point or real. So we have two float point data, float and double. Float is of 4 bytes, 32 bits. Its range is 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 45 to 3.4 into 10 to the power minus 38, plus 38. Its default value is 0.0f. Double data type, the size of double data type is 8 bytes, 64 bits. Its range is 14.9 E minus 324 to 1.7 E308, means 1.7 into 10 to the power of 308, or 14.9 into 10 to the power minus 324. The default value for double is 0.0. Data types character, carries of 2 bytes, 16 bits. It is using Unicode characters, universal code. The default value is 0000 slash U for Unicode, and its range is 00002 slash U FFFF. Boolean data types only store two values, true or false, and its size doesn't matter, but we can say that it can use one byte to store. And the keyword for Boolean data type is Boolean. Thank you.